Why hello boys and girls. In this video I'm going to be telling you how to make yourself blush. See, not every topic I teach is self-destructive. And this happens to be a topic that the ladies actually dig. Right? Back me up, ladies, huh? Huh? Please?
Queries of the Interweb.
How's it going, guys? Joel here, and I amusingly answer questions that are searched for every single day on the interweb. You can subscribe if you want, but I honestly don't even know what that means anymore or what it does, so if you want to keep watching my videos, just find a way to do it, I guess. So let's talk about how to make yourself blush. Now, I understand that there are certain individuals in this world who can't really blush because of the complexion of their skin. You dark-skinned brothers cannot blush. I know this because I have slapped you 20 times and your face is still as black as a Black Panther. Wakanda. So yes, the paler you are, the easier this will be. When you blush, there is an increased flow of blood through your face. And we're going to be talking about how to increase that blood flow. The first thing you can do to make yourself blush is to rub your cheeks. You can also slap your cheeks or get a friend to slap your cheeks. And if you don't have any friends, then slap your own cheeks. Don't go insane with the slapping, don't go crazy. And if you discover something new about yourself while slapping yourself, don't hide it either. Embrace your new self-slapping lifestyle. A second way to make yourself blush is to remember an embarrassing moment. People blush when they're embarrassed. The blood flow increases, the heart rate increases. If you can't think of an embarrassing moment, go out in public and embarrass yourself. If your name is Charlie, then chances are you're embarrassed all day, every day. Frickin' Charlie. It's nothing to be ashamed of, unless you're Charlie. Embarrass yourself. Remember a time you were embarrassed. A third way to make yourself blush is make blood flow towards your head. Stand upside down on your head if you can. Do that thing where you lean up against the wall with your feet up and your head down. Okay, if you're at a playground, hang upside down. On the jungle gym. If you have a really strong friend, have them hold you upside down by your feet. I'm just brainstorming here. A fourth way to make yourself blush is to get really, really mad. Like super angry. Imagine that you're Goku and you're about to go mother frickin' Super Saiyan Blue. Now you know how to make yourself blush, so go out and change the world. I made another video telling you how to make your eyes red. You can watch it up there, or you can watch another one of my videos over here for more destructive advice. And how-tos that don't really help people. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!